Hi everyone, happy Tappin Tuesday. This week's exercise is for my absolute beginners, or what I like to call my never too late people. Hello absolute beginners. Welcome to this January edition of Tappin Tuesday just for you. Happy New Year. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season and that your New Year's resolution was to tap dance more. So, in our Tapping Tuesday this month, we are going to do a little work with the fast shuffle. And fast shuffles are something that are really difficult to master for total beginners, especially for adult total beginners, because you have to really relax the foot, the ankle, the leg, everything from the hip down. You want to be totally and completely relaxed. So this little exercise is designed to help you hopefully achieve that. So we're going to do something called air shuffles, and then we'll do our regular fast shuffle. Now, air shuffle, what do I mean by that? I want you to pick up your leg, your foot off the floor. You want the knee bent, and you want it to keep it in front of whatever leg you're standing on. So when we're going to do these air shuffles, it means we're going to shuffle in the air and just try to kick the foot and let it relax and just kind of bounce wherever it is. We're going to be doing these to the front. We'll also be doing these to the side. Now you want to lift, bend the knee and lift from the hip. And then everything from that hip on down should be so totally relaxed that your thighs should actually kind of jiggle. And that's, if you can get that kind of jiggly thing happening throughout the entire leg, you are in good shape for getting a very nice, clean, wonderful sounding fast shuffle. Okay, so we are going to start. We're going to put a nice pause in between each of these. And we are going to start with picking up that right foot, and you are going to do 7 of these air shuffles to the front. So you go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and then you're going to step. Then we do the left foot, a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Then we're going out to the side. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step. Okay. Again, really focus on making that foot and ankle and leg as floppy and relaxed as possible. This is really hard for adults. I teach these classes and I ask my adults to do this, and what I see is like stuff like this, where the foot is flexed and everything is stiff and there's no jiggle at all. You really want to get that foot and ankle as relaxed and loose as possible, because the second sound of that fast shuffle is really just the toe kind of bouncing off the floor. You're not forcing it. It's not like that. It's like that. Okay, so after we do our air shuffles, then we're going to take it to the floor and try to keep that same exact feeling, that relaxed feeling for each of these shuffles with a nice pause in between again. So you're going to go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. Then we go to the side. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step. Okay, so here's the thing about fast shuffles is they are simple in concept, but take a lot to really master it. So again, work those air shuffles so that you're nice and relaxed. A few things to think about. When you do these, if you notice when I finish my toes off the floor, if you're doing that, that's not a shuffle because the toes on the floor, even if there's no weight change, that's a slap. So you want to make sure you're kind of picking that foot up as you go. Okay? The other thing I want to point out too is your side shuffles are not here. You don't want to turn it out. You want to keep the feet relatively parallel like that. Okay, the side shuffle means if the foot is coming to the side, it does not mean you're turning it to the side. It's here, not here. When you get into a higher level and we start doing shuffles to the back, those are done with the leg turned out. But for your regular side shuffles, they're going to be here. So your front shuffles are here, your side shuffles are here. Okay, let's walk through the whole thing. So starting with those air shuffles, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Really relax. A 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. Then we go to the side. We go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're going to take it to the floor. We go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. To the side we go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Five, 6, 7, 8, and a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. A 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7. To the side we go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, a 7, and step. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're taking it to the floor. We go a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and step. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To the side we go a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, a 5, a 6, and step. Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and step.